In question 10, we've got a pentagon. We're told three of the angles. We're told that angle AED, which is this guy here, is 4 times this guy here. And we have to work out what indeed the larger angle is. So as we don't know either of the angles, I'm going to call this x, and therefore this is 4x. And now we need the interior angles of a pentagon, and what do they add up to? I always think to get the internal angles of any polygon like this, it's easiest to consider the exterior angles. I know this is not a regular pentagon, but it doesn't matter. The answer will be the same. A pentagon has 5 sides, so the exterior angle will be given by, and this is equal to 72 degrees. Therefore, I equals 180 minus 72, which is 108 degrees. And as there are going to be 5 of them, total i's, which is multiplying by 5, is 540. There's the equation that I want. This lot added together will equal 540. Let's write that out. And adding these 3 angles up, we get 120, 230, 365. And therefore we get that 5x, turning it round slightly, is equal to 175, and x is equal to 35. So the angle we want is 4x, so therefore angle. This is the angle we want, is equal to 4x, which is equal to 140. And there is your answer.